Okay, we go to the top of the third. Leadoff hitter for Hurricanes up, number 6. He hit a fly ball to right to lead off the game. Some shadows on the field now. First pitch. Squares to bunt right in front of the mound. Dev picks it up, throws to first. Gets by Adam. Yeah. He knows how that works. He knows how that works. He got to the ball.
Yeah.
Runner at second. Number 11 is up. He's a pitcher. Pitch. That's a strike. 0-1. Runner at second. Call strike 2. Outside corner. Oh, nice play by Casey at third. Almost took out the coach. One and 2 to the hitter. Runner at second. Pitch home. Just missed. 2-2. That's a swing. Wait, did they call it a swing? He didn't go, right? 3-2 on the hitter. What?
He gets third.
Wild pitch, yeah. If he had swung. Runner at third. 3-2 on the hitter.
Let's go, Devin!
There's no one out. Infield in for Bandits. Payoff pitch. Gets away.
Not going. One second, boys.
Turn. 3 hitters up, number 15. First and third, no one out. We're in the top of the third. Pitch home. It's a ball. Pitch. Hit to center for a base hit. Runner from third's going to score. Max picks it up. Runner's going to third. Owen's out of third. Nice scoop by Casey at third. Runner got in. Single to center. Run scores. First and third. Aggressive base running to go to third on that. They're taking him out because he's a pitcher. For courtesy runner, I guess. First and third, no one out. Cleanup hitters up. Pitch in the dirt. 1-0. Pitch. Runner's going at first. Oh. 2-0. Second and third now. Infield in for Bandits. 3-0. Get your hand up. Ball 4. Bases are loaded. No one out. Top of the third. Number 12 is up. Donnell has a timeout to talk to Dev.
Let's go, boys. Come on.
Corners are in. Middle infield is for double play depth for Bandits. Curveball, strike 1. Oh and 1, no one out. Top of the third. Pitch, swing and a miss. 0 and 2.
Keep going, kid. Hey, 3, all you kids. All you 3.
Fastball, strike 3.
Go on, boys.
1 man out. Number 8 is up. He singled to right in the second inning.
One down now, boys.
Corners are still in for Bandits. Middle infielders are I think it was called a ball. 1-0. Pitch. Swing and a miss. 1-1.
Hey, boys. Let's go, Devin.
1-1, 1 out. Bases loaded. In the dirt. Gets away from Donnell. One's going to score. Runners advance. That makes it 4-0 Hurricane. John is going to come out. Okay, huddle's over. 2-1 on the hitter. There's a runner at second and third. 1 man out. Pitch from Dev. Infield in. It's high. 3-1. High, ball 4.
Now we can spin it.
.33 is coming up. He walked his first time. Bases loaded, 1 out. Pitch from Dev. Foul into the backstop. 0-1. Curveball in the dirt. One and one. Pitch home. It's high. 2-1. 2-1, 1 out. It's low. Bounces off Donnell. 3-1. Three and one out. Swing and a miss.
Hey, one more.
3-2.
Get all you.
Swing and a miss. 2 men out. Second K in the inning. Number 1 is up.
Sit down, boys.
Low. 1-0. One and 0, 2 outs. That's a strike. 1-1.
Yes, sir, that's all you can.
Inside. 2-1. Two and one, 2 outs. Just missed low. 3-1. Grounded right back to Dev. He's going to tag the runner. That's the 3rd out. End of 2.5. It's 4-0 Hurricanes.